Hello and welcome to this short tutorial on importing images to Lightroom. First of all, we go to File, top left hand corner, Import Photos and Video. Screen changes to select the source. Storage Data E is where we have our test folder. And we can see two images have been put into that folder to be imported. Both are ticked, which shows that they will be imported. Bottom right hand corner, an import button, and very quickly the two images will be imported into the test folder. We go over to the left hand side where it says storage data. We have a test folder, it shows two images. So if we were to change to a different folder which shows quite a few additional images, go back to test to find our original two images. There are of course other ways to import into Lightroom, but this is the quickest and easiest that I've found. Thank you, hope you've enjoyed.